Hey, this is Math Minutes Pro with Dr. Harrison. Today we're going to talk about how to make a function table. So you're looking at a function table right here. Now before we dig in and start filling out that table, I'd like to illustrate and explain what a function is using a function machine. So let me go ahead and sketch a function machine. Now, in this function machine that you're looking at, what we have going inside are the x values. And then what's coming out are the y values. There's something going on in that function machine, and what's inside of it is the equation. Okay? So this equation that we're referring to is right over here in this function table. Now, what we're going to do is we're already provided with our x values, okay? We're going to substitute those x values into this equation, also referred to as a rule. Okay, this equation is a function, and then we're going to get the y values that come out, and then we're going to write the ordered pair. Now, a function, you have a function when you have one x value for one y value. That is one of the definitions of a function. So let's go ahead and begin. We're going to substitute the first x value. I have -2 squared minus 5. So -2 squared is +4. +4 minus 5 is -1. Now, notice we have our x value and our y value. We'll go ahead and record that in an ordered pair, -2, -1. Let's move on to the next row. Here we have an x value of -1. We'll substitute -1 for the x value. That's squared minus 5. So -1 squared is +1. 1 minus 5 is -4. Let's go ahead and write the x and y coordinates. We have -1 for x. We have -4 for y. Now let's go ahead to the next row here and substitute 0 for x. And that's -5. 0 squared is 0. Minus 5 leaves us with the y coordinate, -5. Then we have our x and y coordinate. X is 0. The y coordinate is -5. Lastly, in our last row, we have an x coordinate or x value of 1. So we're going to go ahead and substitute that. 1 squared minus 5. 1 squared is 1. 1 minus 5 is -4. Let's go ahead and write the x and y coordinate. 1, -4. Hence, we have successfully made a function table. We substituted our x values in the equation. We got our y values, and then we have an ordered pair. Sometimes you can go a step further and plot these points. Okay, now in this case, the type of equation you're looking at is a quadratic. In fact, it's a quadratic function because the highest exponent of x is 2. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.